welcome to my new vlog. Today I am showing you my all the watermelon which we grown on in February. Guys, welcome to my new vlog. Today I am showing you my all the watermelon which we grown in February. Let's see that. Now it is grown like this. Guys, I grown this this one more watermelon got in this plant. You are looking this and it is a watermelon. Guys, do you looking? These are our parrots and our chicks, which I noted in a blog of our chicks, guys. Okay, guys. How the wind is blowing? My camera is blowing. See, guys, how the wind is now. See, guys, I thought you not look chicks and our parrots. See how much grown up this all are. Okay, guys, are playing and jumping. Eh. How very chick guys sitting. Guys, please, you are seeing our videos but my video and you are not doing. So, see. This is our shop. See, guys, this is my Doraemon. It is my favorite cartoon show. Comment your favorite cartoon show. Okay, guys. Now, guys, I am cutting a bun for making a breakfast. Guys, I am cutting now a bun for making a breakfast. Now, guys, I am making a breakfast. Now, guys, I am doing this like this to fry both sides. Okay, guys, I kept the butter. Now, guys, I have flipped the pan. See, guys, how it is looking now. Hashtag milk in a morning breakfast. Guys, I am adding some sugar. Sorry. This much enough for me. Now I am mixing. And my one more breakfast is chapati and omelette. And guys, we have to break this like this. And we have to dip in a milk for 2 to 10 minutes. Add this one bite for my subscribers who like my videos. See, guys, how our chicken is fried up. Okay, guys, I am going more taste after we are going to terrace. Guys, we are came to our roof. How it is looking, see. And see all of you. Here our water was falling. I tell to my mother to off a tanker. See guys, these all are the roof dry gas. If we get 1 subscriber also in this video, we'll give this all glass to dry grass to goats and cows and buffaloes and horses. See, before we are having so many plants. See guys, there is a horse. If you are, I think you are not looking a horse there. See, that is a horse. Okay now guys, here is so windy day today. So yeah, see our yesterday was rainfall. More in places of Telangana was rainfall. And see, this is also our tank. You are looking inside. This is also our tank, and that is also a tank. Before this cook having chicks, but they are not now chickens. But today our chicks will grown up, means we will keep them here. Okay. See, there are all are playing. The eagle is flying over it. Okay guys. I am adding today's vlog one more scene, that is my uncle's. He is making budgies. And he is a father of one YouTuber, my cousin sister Alfia. She is having a channel, Alfia Sheikh ZF90RO. That is his ID. Please subscribe to her also. She is not having more subscribers. How the tamarind plant is, how this was tamarind plant is grown, see guys. And I don't know this is what plant. So
तुम्हारे चेहरे से दिख रहा
अरे चाचा वो क्यों दाल दाल मिक्स दाल सब जैसा खाता है वैसी बना। अरे यार बारिश का टाइम है यार, तू नीचे खिलाने की बात करता है।
तूफान है आज मौसम हो, आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है।
अगर क्यों और अभी अगर मूड में नहीं तो ठीक है, तो बोलेंगे ये सब फालतू की रिश्ते जाते हैं काम का बोलते, वो भी तो मुझे शुरू में आकर खाना भी नहीं खाने वाला।
okay guys, bye bye.